Hello, I'm Dr. Jaycie Loewen, a clinical neuroscientist here at Cognitive FX. Today we're going to be talking about natural remedies for post-concussion symptoms. So many patients have difficulties with vision changes, mood changes, dysautonomia, etc. after their injury, but also have pretty adverse reactions to medications that they may receive from their doctor. As a result of this, many are looking for more natural remedies for those tricky symptoms. What we're going to go through are some basic remedies that either we've tried ourselves or patients have reported have been effective for reducing some of those tricky symptoms. The biggest ones you're going to want to try are cognitive and physical activities. In post-concussion syndrome, we see that there's issues with neurovascular coupling, or how blood flow goes to parts of the brain. Cognitive and physical activity helps restore some more natural blood flow to many parts of the brain. So while it's not going to be necessarily a quick fix, over time, cognitive and physical activity will help likely reduce some severe symptoms. Other remedies include things like diet, for example. There are things that you can eat or take in supplement form to help your brain work better and reduce inflammation. In addition, things like teas or different kinds of herbs or things you may get in your diet can help that cardiovascular system and the blood flow in your brain as well. In addition, there are some things that you might have thought of pursuing but didn't know whether there was good research out there about them. For example, aromatherapy, dry needling, or even music therapy. Now, honestly, there still needs to be more research done on a number of these things, but the research that has come out has shown that reducing sympathetic activity or your fight or flight response can help restore more parasympathetic activity or rest and digest. And especially if you're dealing with post-concussion syndrome, you want to help that parasympathetic nervous system work to its best ability. An important thing to consider is that these natural remedies don't have to wait. You can start them after your initial consultation, you can start them now, you can do them during treatment and continue doing them post-treatment. They're healthy for the nervous system in general, so these things can serve as a good aid whether you're having a bad day or just want to keep healthy. We would love if you could spend some time on our blog where we go over these things in more detail, but hopefully this was a helpful list and some natural remedies for post-concussion syndrome.